Today we're taking a closer look at a simple but highly practical car accessory that every driver could benefit from: the Automotive car trash can with lid and storage pockets. If you're tired of clutter and mess in your vehicle, this compact trash solution aims to keep your ride clean and organised. The Automotive car trash can with lid and storage pockets is designed to serve as a convenient leak-proof garbage can and multi-purpose organiser for your car's interior. It's built with a waterproof lining that helps contain messes and spills, so you don't have to worry about your vehicle's upholstery getting stained. Leak-proof and waterproof design. The inner lining is made to resist leaks and liquids, making cleanup easier and preventing accidental spills from becoming permanent stains. Adjustable strap and collapsible shape. You can hang this trash can from a headrest, door handle or centre console using its adjustable strap, or simply set it on the floor. The collapsible design means you can fold it away when not in use. Magnetic snaps for trash bags. Inside, the trash can includes magnetic snaps to secure trash bags in place, reducing the risk of liners slipping down or bags bunching up. Extra storage pockets. Unlike basic car trash bins, this model also offers exterior storage pockets, perfect for wipes, tissues, small accessories, or even travel essentials. Whether you're on daily commutes, running errands with kids, or heading out on long road trips, keeping trash and loose items under control makes your drive more comfortable and your car look cleaner. A designated trash solution like this can reduce clutter and help you maintain a tidy interior, especially when eating on the go or transporting passengers. This Automotive model fits a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks, making it a versatile accessory for everyday drivers, families, rideshare professionals, or anyone who values a neat cabin. If you're looking for a simple way to keep your vehicle tidy without bulky accessories, the Automotive car trash can with lid and storage pockets packs convenience into a compact design. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical automotive gear reviews coming up next.